Hey, what's up, glorious community? In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create these beautiful, professional looking logo animations in a matter of minutes by using Glorify. This is perfect for the intros of all of your branded video content online. So let's jump straight in. We'll start by clicking the logo design format over here, and this will fire up the editor with the logo templates library opened up. We can go ahead and delete this canvas as we don't need it. And for this example, I'm going to be using this Bisonox Fitness template. We'll simply click and drag it onto our canvas area, and we can get started right away. Now, the techniques that you're going to learn in this tutorial to animate your logo, you can apply for any logo design. It's about using the same principles. So start by inspecting the layers of this logo design. So we've got a subtitle, a main title, and then we've got an icon over here. Now, I noticed that the icon is grouped. So we want to ungroup it so we can animate the layers individually. So go ahead and click ungroup. And that gives us the bull icon separate with this dot element over here. Perfect. Let's go ahead and start animating each part. So we'll start by animating the bull, as that's the main theme of the logo design. We'll head over to the bottom left and click video to open up the video timeline editor. You can actually drag the timeline editor to scale it up or shorten it depending on your needs. Let's go ahead and give the bull icon an entry transition by clicking right over here within the timeline editor, and we'll choose a shift. And for this example, I'm going to make it shift from the right. We'll go ahead and click play. Excellent, I like that. Now we'll give the dot element an entry animation too. So in this case, I'll use the zoom entry transition. Let's go ahead and hit play. Looks awesome. So for the main logo name, I'll use a shift and we'll do it from the bottom up. And for the subtitle, we'll use a simple fade in. Great. Let's go ahead and click play and see how all of this comes together. Awesome. I'm happy with that. Now, I could also include exit animations, but for this example, I'm going to stick to entry animations. Of course, a simple 3 to 5 second logo animation can easily be used on the intros of your social media content as well as your long form YouTube content too. Now, I'm happy with this animation overall, but one problem is that it's a little bit overwhelming since all of the animations start at the same time. The best practice when it comes to animating logo designs or animation in general is to make sure you adjust the timing to give the animation a sense of hierarchy in terms of what you're showing the viewer first. So what I like to do is look at the composition of this logo and decide, okay, what do I want to show first, and adjust the timings of the animations accordingly. So perhaps I want the main text to show up first to act as a platform for the bull to arrive. So the main text will start at 0 seconds as it is, and then we'll delay the bull icon a little bit later. So let's drag this handle over here and push it to perhaps 0.27 seconds. And let's see how long it takes before the bull arrives. Now it's a bit too late, so let's bring it a little bit earlier, and we can actually zoom in to the timeline a bit more, stretch it out so we can get better visibility of what we're doing here. Perfect, I like that timing. The bull animation starts a little bit later than the main logo name. Now I also want to now delay the dot after the bull arrives. So let's go ahead and delay the dot by dragging the handle. Fantastic, I'm happy with that. I also noticed the dot animation is way too slow. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and make the animation quicker by dragging this handle over here and shortening it. We can also do this by opening the transition settings and shortening it right over here by using this time field right here. You can also manually input the timing right in here as well. Perfect. Let's go ahead and give this a preview. That's way better. Last but not least, I want the subtitle come at the very end. So let's go ahead and drag this handle to position the subheading to come in at the very end. Fantastic. Now, the fade in is good, but I want it to be a little bit quicker. So again, I'll shorten the animation by dragging this handle. Let's preview it one more time. Beautiful. I'm really happy with that. Just like that, we've animated our logo, but we're not done yet. Of course, no doubt, you want to repurpose this logo design for all your different formats across all of your content. So we wanted to resize it to our vertical video format as well as our full HD format. So let's go ahead and do that. To do that, what you want to do is we'll hide the video timeline and we'll select the canvas over here, and let's go ahead and click duplicate. You can also do Command D or Control D, but I'll go ahead and click the duplicate icon on top of the canvas menu over here, and we'll drag this a bit ahead. And on the edit panel, we'll choose browse sizes, and we'll go ahead and type vertical video to choose the vertical video size, this one over here, and we'll go ahead and resize that. Let's go ahead and give it a play to preview it. Awesome. Just like that, we resized for our vertical size. Now let's go ahead and resize it for our full HD. Same thing, going to duplicate the canvas, and we'll go ahead to browse sizes, and this time we'll look for HD video, and there's our HD video size. We'll go ahead and click that and resize. Let's give this a quick play. Perfect. And just like that, we have our 3 sizes for our logo animation. So literally in a matter of minutes on Glorify, we've managed to animate our logo design and resize them for all of our different formats, so we can use this for all of our content across any channel. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you haven't signed up to Glorify already, make sure you smash that link in the description to sign up to Glorify, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more design tips and tricks. That's it for this tutorial, and I hope I see you guys in a future video.